Alright, it's raining a bit, but we're gonna make this happen. So, we can't, I'm sure this has happened to you, your Volkswagen MK2. Of course. We just changed this maybe a week ago with some aftermarket stuff. And look, it's unlocked. You cannot open it. It's a pain in the ass. So, today, we're gonna change them to some brand that we ordered from Mexico that's from Germany that apparently you can't get here. I don't know how that works out, but the way to open this is you're gonna have to push it. Such a pain in the ass. So much of a pain in the ass that I didn't even put the lock cylinder here. So, real quick, easy, all you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver and your new door handles. Alright, so all you're gonna need to do, Phillips screwdriver and something to take off this cover. Luckily, it's just plastic. And we could just pull this out. Toss over there. You have a screw there. Let's take that off. It's a bit of a drizzle. Hey, if it's not raining, we're not training. It's not that hard. Take the other one from inside. That's it. That's the old one. Now, I don't know what brand this is, but I got it from Amazon and it did not work correctly. I've tried the ones from ECS Tuning for, I believe, the MK3, the different style door handles. Those were a no-go. I think only one worked correctly for me, and it was the driver's passenger side. Yeah, the driver's rear. That's the only one that worked. Let me show you how many door handles I've gone through. All of these. All of these. Maybe I'm the one who's messing up. Maybe I'm the one who's effective. But surely, none of these. Some of them are from a Golf that I found in the junkyard. They didn't work too good. So, I was looking on eBay International and I found one that we believe was like around $80, $90. It was from a seller in Mexico. Since over there in Mexico they have a lot of Volkswagens. These. They even say Porsche. I mean, granted, they're not authentic Porsche, but you get the idea. Same thing, just peel it off, expose this. The mechanisms look very different from the mechanisms, well, at least the quality parts. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this feels more solid. And it's from a brand I couldn't find here called Brook, German. Called Brook. Hi, sweeties. And it comes with everything you need. Covers and gaskets.
Daddy.
Now the install is the reverse to taking them off.
Daddy.
What, baby?
No, she's dead.
Yes, baby.
Daddy.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Okay. So let's put the gaskets on. Just like that. And the other gasket here.
It's raining. Oh. Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. Just like so. Alright, you're going to start with this side first, and then this side.
Yeah. Come on, come here.
Alright, after a little bit of finesse, put it back in. This white stuff, I just put a little bit of lubricant so it goes slide back in more easily. Before you tighten it down, just make sure the gasket's sitting properly. Well, the door handle sitting properly on the gasket. Alright, you take the bolts off the old one. Now you don't want to tighten it down all the way, just enough to hold it in place. You grab your other bolt, and this one goes inside here. Alright, now that you put the bolt in, not tying, just enough to hold it in place, I like to make sure the gasket sits correctly with the door handle before we tighten anything down. Alright, and now we tighten everything down. Apply some pressure when you tighten it down. Don't go crazy, just hand tight. You don't want to strip. Alright, so now it's time to test our new door handle. Let's test it out. Minimum effort. Pinky. Well, not my pinky's pretty weak. No? No effort at all. It feels crisp and good. Now this brand is not paying me, but I highly recommend it. It's called Brook. From Germany. It is distributed by this company. I don't know if you can take a look at that. But yes, I spent this so you don't have to spend and go through all of this. Like I said, maybe I'm the one who doesn't work. Maybe I'm the one who doesn't know how to make these types of door handles work. Maybe I'm the problem. But not anymore. And now you can have crisp and reliable door handles. Anytime you need. Oh, that's not all. They send you the keys. I mean, you can change the tumbler out on yourself, but I didn't. It has like a Porsche emblem. I'm not sure how legit the emblem is. Oh, it's real, but it matches everything. The keychain, I bought it from a different vendor. And there you have it. Lock. Unlock. Every time. Give it a thumbs like you like it. Give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment below and subscribe to my videos. Have a good day. That's the only one that I can make work.